Birla Balika Vidyapeeth, a renowned residential girls' school of the Birla Group, located at the western end of the educational colony of Vidya Vihar in Pilani. Birla Balika Vidyapeeth is the destination for girls to develop independent thinking and learning to promote self-discipline. On October 14th and 15th, the school organized All India IPSC Band Competition.
Major General retired S.S. Nair, AVSM, Director Birla Education Trust, was invited to be the chief guest of this event.
He hoisted the flag and the principal, Dr. M. Kasturi, welcomed him.
IPSC band competition is a platform where the students can show their creative abilities, their talent in the field of music. And especially military music is a very difficult field to operate. So to that extent, it is a major training area for the students. And this is one area, one aspect where the schools show what can a student do out of the classroom, beyond the curriculum.
To take part in this coveted event, an invitation was extended to 10 schools.
Taking pride in creating history and maintaining tradition, the school has been marching proudly on Rajpath in New Delhi for last 54 years every January to be a part of the Republic Day parade.
How does it feel to be the principal of a school whose the only school whose band is marching on Rajpath for consecutive 55 years?
Yes, Swati, it is a really great history for us. Our band is marching for 55 years on Rajpath. It's a great feeling for me. Almost I can say all our students, all the presidents, prime ministers and the dignitaries of India who visited, they met with them. It's a proud feeling for me, and I'm proud principal to be here as Principal Birla Balika Vidyapeeth.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Another thing I would like to ask you, what thing encouraged you to have the All India IPSC Band Competition 2014-15 in our school at Pilani?
That's a nice question you asked me. You know that the children of Birla Balika Vidyapeeth, how laborious, the way they march and the way they practice. Because every day by 4 o'clock the children will get up and they will give the wake-up call to all Pilani, I can say. Because the way they march and the way they practice, I'm really proud of them. And wherever our children are going for the competitions, they are the winners. But still, I feel this IPSC, Indian Public School Conference, is a nice platform for our children. There are only 78 schools in India, all over India. So that I know that definitely Birla Balika Vidyapeeth will make the benchmarks. So I want to take up this competition.
All-round development being one of the missions of the school encourages its girls to take part in competitions to play the band. Maintaining this philosophy, the school organized the All India IPSC Band and Yoga Competition. The chief guest saluted the march past. The girls cheered their own band.
And the honor of our country.
The event started with girls putting up a dare-to-do show. Girls in kimonos to bring alive the culture of Japan were next. Boys from Motilal Nehru School of Sports presented their pipe band, marching ahead with their biguls and drums. The sound of the drums resonated in the environs of the school.
सर हमें बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है कि हमने यहाँ पे अच्छी परफॉर्मेंस दी है कि हमें लग रहा है कि हम पोजीशन स्कोर कर सकते हैं, लेकिन वी डू मैनी मिस्टेक इन दैट टाइम एट दैट टाइम, बट वी फील बेटर। जैसे हमने प्रैक्टिस की थी वैसे हम उससे अच्छा किया, हमने यहाँ पे आके बहुत अच्छा किया है।
सर ये एक वाद्य यंत्र है, ये लेदर बैग होता है, ये माउथ पीस है और ये चेंटर है, इसमें से हम उंगलियों के प्रयोग से ध्वनि निकालते हैं सर। और ये पीछे वही आवाज़ बढ़ाने के लिए वगैरह होते हैं, इसमें ड्रोन वगैरह लगते हैं, कुछ इंस्ट्रूमेंट है इसके अंदर है।
आपको इसमें इंटरेस्ट कैसे आया?
इंटरेस्ट हमारे बैंड मास्टर सर ने हमारी क्लास ली थी एक बार, उसी में बताया इन्होंने, मुझे अच्छा लगा, फिर मैं बजाने लग गया ये।
Birla Public School Pilani presented their boys brass band. Starting with the trumpet, moving to drums, bringing alive with words of "Kadam kadam badhaye ja, tu sare jahan se अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा."
Hello everybody, I am Aditi Priya and I'll be introducing you to the torchbearers of Birla Balika Vidyapeeth who contributed the most in the event All India IPSC Band Competition. Starting with Muskan Sen, who's the hostel head of the school. So Muskan, when your school received the letter of conducting the All India IPSC Band Competition, what was the first thing that struck your mind?
The first thought which struck my mind was excitement, enthusiasm, and hard work, which is paying off.
Tell me something about the food. Did we get special food?
Yeah, we have a principal dinner on 14th night and it was really a wonderful dinner. All the team praised that. They said that you get this dinner daily or it's a special dinner. In our mess we have the best food and that's all, and we have to serve refreshment and at the same time we have to give the water, juice. That's all.
We are one of the leading public schools as far as academics is concerned. We have been, all these days, we have been getting record-breaking results. Definitely, we are maintaining 80% and above results in class 12th at board. And our students are doing excellently well.
Different students have different interests, so that they can come up with their interest in a positive manner. There are different club activities also going on in the school, like journalism club, literary clubs, maths club, science club, many club activities. Sports clubs are also there, and then we have our band and many other sports festivals. Many activities keep on going on the same time.
Sainik School Kapurthala came prepared with their boys' brass band. Be it wind or percussion instruments, the boys play each with equal confidence. As the sounds of each of these instruments emanated, the attention of everyone present on the ground was glued to this sight.
Sir, actually during first IPSC we stood second, and during second IPSC we stood first. During third IPSC again first, and this time hope so we will definitely first. It was a very nice experience for us, and we practiced a lot till late nights. We practiced a lot. That's why you saw that all the cadets, all the girls, all audience were up.
At the All India IPSC Band and Yoga competition, the judges had a tough time selecting the winner.
नहीं, जजमेंट तो मुश्किल तो नहीं है, लेकिन क्या है कि सभी बैंड अच्छे होने पर उसको नियुक्त करना थोड़ा मुश्किल हो जाता है। तो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा हाफ या 1 नंबर 2 नंबर से ही वो एक दूसरे को लीड करते, ज़्यादा नहीं करते। तो इससे काफ़ी स्टैंडर्ड है, काफ़ी।
The event also witnessed a cultural evening.
Of Birla Balika Vidyapeeth, Pilani.
Girls of Birla Balika Vidyapeeth too followed suit and put in an equal amount of rigor. The highs and lows of sounds echoed. Modi School Lakshmangarh presented their girls' brass band. The amalgamation of the band and its footsteps reverberated on the grounds of the school. The schoolgirls doubled their efforts, singing and playing instruments.
it is very good for students. Here we get the platform to interact with other schools, other participants. We get a lot of exposure. I'm very confident about my performance. I hope the best team wins.
Girls from Maharani Gayatri Devi School of Jaipur came in full swing with their brass band. Left, right, left. And the band begins.